Today, I'm going to be showing you a unique copy and paste with Google method that has been earning people over hundreds and thousands of dollars online. And basically, I myself has tried this method and I've been able to earn over $130 from my first try on a single video. So basically, this method literally involves taking viral news online and basically inserting it into a unique AI tool that would generate viral content for you. Now, this is the same case of this YouTube channel that has been utilizing this same method. You can see it's a faceless channel, and you can see, because from the look of it, you cannot exactly tell who owns this channel. Now, this channel has been utilizing this for about 5 months, and you can see in 5 months this channel has grown 8,000 subscribers and of course thousands of views per every upload. Now I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial and step-by-step on how you can do this same thing. Now, before we proceed, this particular channel has an estimated monthly earning of over $300 to $4,000 monthly, and this is something that you can do too, and I'm going to be showing you step by step if you know the ropes, of which I'm going to be putting you through. Now, the very first step is to go to Google News, and basically Google News is a platform where several news, trending news, viral news online from around the world is combined together and put in a single place. You go to Google News, and of course what you want to do is you need to have a niche, and your niche can either be on the entertainment side, can be on sports, on business, whatever it is, on politics. You need to pick a niche, because if you're going to be creating multiple content on this, you need to be doing that in a single niche. So what you want to do is, let's say we're leveraging on the entertainment niche, we're going to click on entertainment and we're going to scroll through until we see a particular kind of news that we find interesting to actually use. Another way we can leverage on this is by going to Google Gemini, and Google Gemini is also like an AI tool, just like ChatGPT, but this time it leverages on Google search results. So basically, we are just going to tell Google Gemini, give me a list of 10 trending articles in the entertainment industry in Nigeria, and Google Gemini is basically going to do its work. So another way you can also leverage on getting this viral news is by going to Google Trends. And Google Trends, you can easily go to trends.google.com, and Google Trends also is a Google platform, and it also leverages on the search result by people. And you want to go to trending now here, and under trending now you can easily see all the top search results that have been happening all around the world in real time. Now, the next step you want to do is you want to go to the special AI tool that will help you to generate content by leveraging on this viral news. Now, you want to go to the InVideo AI, and you can go to it by going to ai.invideo, however, dropping the link in the description. So basically, all you want to do is you want to go here and you want to click on Explore All. Now, when you click on Explore All, it's going to take you to several workflows which you can pick from, and you want to go and choose the news video, because we are going to be leveraging on viral news to create viral content. Now, we click on news video, and what you want to do is you are going to create a prompt. Now, you're going to create a news video about what? So you literally want to give InVideo AI the news you want to make a video on, just a short thing, so that InVideo can have an idea on what to do. Now, also you want to put in the link to that video. So let's say we are picking in a long-time veteran of the TV soap General Hospital, Johnny Wachter, has been shot dead in Los Angeles. You want to literally copy that and paste it here. Give me a 2 minutes video. Now the next thing you want to do is also go back and copy the link from this particular news, and you want to go ahead and paste it here. Then now you can also make use of whatever voice as the style of the content you want to use. Let's say you want to make it a female, and also you can want to choose, let's say, with a clear American voice. So once you are done with all of that, you can easily continue. Click on continue. So here you also have the opportunity to pick the audience. Let's say news watchers, look and feel sober, and the platform YouTube, and you want to continue. And let's see what it generates.
Hollywood is in mourning today, following the tragic death of Johnny Wachter, a beloved actor from the long-running TV soap General Hospital. It was a regular night in Los Angeles.
So now that your video is ready, you can see how amazing it is. All you need to do, in case you want to edit the video, you can easily go here and put a command to edit the video and regenerate here. So if you want it to be said in Spanish, you can just put, so you can put translate to Spanish and generate, and it will definitely give you a video in Spanish.
Hollywood está de luto hoy, tras la trágica muerte de Johnny Wachter, un querido actor de la longeva telenovela Hospital General.
Now, another thing you can do if you do not want to leverage on the videos or the group of images that have been used in the production of the video, you can as well go and get videos, and I would suggest leveraging on YouTube for the actual news that you are looking for. One of the ways I would suggest is by going to Creative Commons, which is one of the ways which you can get literally a lot of videos that are very accessible and have permission to use by other people. However, since you are leveraging on YouTube, one of the things that you may want to do is you would want to give credit to whoever's video you are making use of. This is a way where you can get news out there to people and also make it unique, as you can also translate into different languages. And of course, one of the ways where you can get these videos from YouTube is by going to copying the link from any of those videos you want to use. Copy the link and you want to go to Keepvid, and you can literally download these videos, impute it on InVideo AI by simply clicking on edit, and of course changing out the scenes with these videos. However, if you want to leverage on InVideo AI, mind you that it would have watermarks, as you can see, story blocks, and this is one of the things that the upgrade version helps you to do. It helps you to take out all the watermarks, and this is something that you should also try. But before you go ahead and just jump up, I will also suggest you do your own research, do your own diligence, because of course you want to cover yourself in order for you to be threading carefully. And one of the ways you can also do that is by having taken those videos from other people. There's something called fair use in the policy of YouTube by adding meaningful add-ons to it, either by voiceovers or transforming it into something that makes it unique. So you want to add creative voiceovers to it. So this is something you should try out, and this is something that, of course, if you have leveraged on it, or if you leverage on it well, you know how to use the ropes well, then this is something that can actually make you a lot of extra cash on it. I already showed you that this individual is doing it, and of course there are many more individuals that are leveraging on it. But like I said, you need to go out there, you need to do your due diligence. If you need to go ahead and read the policies of the YouTube guidelines and the policies, just so that you are treading carefully and in the right way, then definitely you should go ahead and do it. Then of course, I've given you all the step-by-step that you need to do. So once your video has been published and you've edited it to your taste, you want to go ahead and of course create a channel, and of course title the channel, and of course you want to start uploading. You put up a good thumbnail that would attract your viewers to your video, and of course make it super catchy, and definitely you are one step a way to getting the bag. Another thing I would like to say is that this particular platform is not a get rich quick platform, and which is what many people may go ahead to do and come back saying it didn't work for me, because this would actually take commitment, it would take time, some time, at least it would take patience, and it would take some level of dedication. So you do not just want to go ahead and post one single video and expect hundred or thousands of dollars. So you need to get dedicated, you need to keep up with it. However, this is a good means and a good way of making money, since one of it is that you do not have to show your face, meaning you do not have to get a lot of recording tools or what have you. You don't have to show your face on the camera, and also you do not have to struggle with having to write out content and get content to create, since Google is definitely already doing the work for you. So if you found this video helpful, I want you to go ahead and smash the like button. Do want to leave your comment. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it, either about whatever I've explained, or about the YouTube guidelines or the policies or what have you. Go ahead and leave it in the comment section. Also, do well to write or do well to say in the comment section where you are watching from. I would like to know where you are watching from. And also do well to smash the subscribe button. Do well to hit the notification bell icon, so when next I drop a new video, you will be the very first to see it. So stay tuned. I remain the TFI, and I hope to show you ways on how you can leverage on the online platforms to make money online. So stay tuned, and bye.